what I can tell you, while I'm deliberating 2-3 days back, what I should say on the first day speech. So, as you know, the example was mentioned of Three Idiot film. So, if you remember, in the first day speech, when the principal was saying something, somebody was, verbatim, he was telling that he will speak this. What was the character? Yeah, millimeter, which become, then centimeter and the meter. So, though it was true that the principal was telling some ideals, some strong traits which is required. Why that traits was important? Because we cannot say, what was applicable 20 years back or 10 years back is not applicable now. No. The simple word during our while we were in the schools, we always read the hard work. Hard work is a very simple word. Now in these days, nobody is using this hard work. There are some more, fancy word has come. But hard work is the most important pillar. While you will do this course, you cannot achieve your goal unless you put an effort. And that efforts is required a lot of hard work. Now why hard work is in these days important? Because the competition has been there and lot of competition is there. There are many management institutes, there are many management, students are coming every year. And yes, there are employment opportunities are there, but yes, the right employment opportunity and the getting the right opportunity for everybody is not very easy. So therefore, the hard work is required, and those who will put an effort, continuous efforts, then they only can achieve. And we want our students should achieve those, targets. Now, somebody has said, the goal. Yes, the goal is very important. These last 2 years, most of you will, go out after this course to the, the industry, the corporate. So these last 2 years are very important. The whole career, the whole life is in fact depending upon in these 2 years. And therefore, the setting of the goal is very important. This also a very, common that goal is, everybody is saying, but where is the failure is come? Failure is, there if we are not putting an efforts to achieving those goals. We are always saying, this is my goal, but nobody is putting that effort. What you want to achieve after 5 years, you have to put an efforts today. There was a, now with these insurance companies are coming with many ads, what you want to achieve, what you want to take after 10 years or 20 years, you have to save today. And we are totally failed. We are not, thinking in present. We are thinking, yes, we want to reach, but not putting the efforts. You have to start now. And that is the important thing. So, if you want to achieve a certain position after 2 years, then you require an effort from today's first day. So it's very important, getting admission to an MBA is very easy, and getting the degree is also very easy, because the education system is now very, convenient for our student. University has set pattern of examination and the set system. So getting a degree and clearing the examination is not, difficult task. The task is, again, the crux of the Three Idiot film, strive for the excellence. As Malhotra sir has also, said, try to achieve the excellence. Even that character of Three Idiot was, ultimately he hasn't end of the, he hasn't degree. Degree was someone else's name, but he was a successful person. So I'm not saying you should leave the degree. You should go for it, but not degree is not important. Important is the skill which you have to extract from this 2-year course. You know, getting a knowledge of marketing, getting a knowledge of finance is good, but you know, taking out the skills from the knowledge, that is important. And that skill will carry on the whole your life. And that skill will take you to your right position in the industry. So that skill is very important. And yes, there are now, you know, as said, the canvas is very large. There are a lot of information, and you are very fortunate you are in the world where you have the support of the technology, and there is a lot of information as, you know, here and there, you know, on Google you have everything. Books are, you know, very now in these days very small in front of this technological world. But still, these are the important. Getting a knowledge is okay, but you know, convincing on the knowledge and applicable on the knowledge is the other part, where the institutions and your faculty and your teachers are important to take you from there. So therefore the classes are important, therefore your, you know, the lecture of your teachers are important. Your interaction with the teacher is very important. So now the next point is come the discipline. The discipline is, you know, from the very first day you should go for the class and attend all the class. And you know, try to take out, because in every class there is a new knowledge, new set of the knowledge, and which is very important. So don't try to, you know, because this is not a traditional degree. As I said, the whole your career will depend upon this. So try to take as much as, because even you are spending a lot of money, for your parents' money is involved. But yes, if you are able to achieve the knowledge and the skills, and if you are able to achieve your goal, then definitely you will be the successful person, and your parents will, you know, proud of on you.